fit and fine at your home. This year again we are going to organize virtual inter-house fitness and yoga competition. In yoga competition, you need to perform 3 yoga postures, and I am going to show you that one by one. The first yoga posture is Naukasana. For this, you need to lie down on your back, keep your legs straight. After that, place your hands on your thighs. Slowly raise your upper body as well as your legs, and try to keep your toes in line of your head and hold for 10 seconds. Second posture is Ushtrasana. For this, you need to come and stand on your knees. Toes are flat. One by one hand, try to place on your heels. Then look back and try to shift your body weight towards your knees. And hold this for 10 seconds. Third posture is Chakrasana. For Chakrasana, you need to lie down on your back, bend your knees, and also you need to bend your elbows. Your fingers pointing towards the shoulders. Then try to lift your body and hold this position for 10 seconds.